Welcome to Google Assignments. This tutorial will walk you through the process for creating new coursework in assignments. Let's get started by signing in with your G Suite for Education account. When you get to the main page, click the Create button. From the drop-down menu, select the course for which you're creating this assignment. If this is a new course, click Create New. Enter the course name and section in the dialog box, then click the Create button. Once the course is created, you can enter a title for the assignment, along with instructions for students. Enter a point value if desired, and set a due date by clicking on the calendar icon. You can also select a specific time for the deadline. To attach a file to the assignment, click the Attach button. Select the files you want to attach, and then click Add. Students will each get their own copy of any files you attach. If you'd like to add a rubric to the assignment, click Create New under the Rubric subhead. Type in a title and point value for the first criterion. To add more, click Add a criterion at the bottom of the form. When you have finished adding criteria to your rubric, click the Save button. To turn on Originality Reports, click the box next to Run Originality Reports at the bottom of the screen. When you're finished adding details, click the Publish Now button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You can also choose Publish Later so that students don't see the assignment until you want them to. If you want to save the assignment and come back to it later, click Save as Draft. If you're ready to share the assignment with students, click the Publish button. When the dialog box appears, click Copy Link in the lower right-hand corner. You can share the link by pasting it into the corresponding assignment within your learning management system, like this, or through any other standard method of communication, such as your class website or email. When students click the link, they'll be able to join the class and view the assignment. That's all there is to it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, you can always find additional support in the Help Center at support.google.com/edu/assignments.